Welcome to the motherfucking show.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the goddamn show. This right here is going to be a trade review. We had two trades. Let me review the account for this week, June 22nd through the 26th. We're down 5%. It's our second red week in the 2 months that we've started this back up. So we're pretty happy with it. It could have been a lot worse, but risk management saved us on some big losses. So with that being said, the two best trades we had were Square, SQ, and Oracle, ORCL. We're going to start with Oracle. Basically, Oracle was in a box consolidation. Here we are on the daily. Okay. It broke, I guess, 2 weeks ago, formed a resistance right here, and it was a fake breakout, went back into the box. Okay. Then this one is what we were looking at. So on Tuesday of last week, let me get the Discord up. Basically, we had, I believed it was going to be a big breakout, a confirmed breakout and run all on into the 60s this week. Unfortunately, the market where it's at right now kind of pulled it back, but we'll get to that. So I bought kind of far swings August 21st and July 17th, $60 calls. Okay. So at that time during market open on Tuesday, it would be right here. Okay. We were trying to confirm if we were going to do another fake breakout or run. Okay. It happened to be another fake, but with that, it's regardless, it kind of held our analysis right and stayed up. So here was the end of Monday, and here's the start of Tuesday. Okay. So we have our first candle at open, our second candle. Okay. We bought, right? Thinking it was going to keep running. It fell back down, but it held the 20 EMA and nothing crossed. So we're good. It came up and then confirmed up here, right? On this level, right? I think we had three or four. The problem with trying to help bring up Discord, the problem with trying to, I don't have I have to scroll back on my, my trade review or my trade reports, but we had 60, if you see here, we had $60 calls for July and August, but I believe we closed the shorter term ones. The July 25% for here would have been right around 930. Okay. Right here. So that was the first one. And then we just kind of held the rest of the day. It went up again. And then when the market made a sharp move, a stupid sharp move down. Okay. Right here. So we closed every single thing. So we had 25%. And then we did the Oracle 15% and 19% because of what SPY had done. Okay. So that's that trade. It's kind of simple, and you see the EMA cross. So let's go into the future. Had we not sold these, good God, I did not mean to do that. Had we not sold these, here's the EMA cross. We would be fighting a pretty big loss right now. Okay, so we didn't do that. We had our profits. We took them, and with the market doing what it had done, we decided to take them and get out. Okay, second one, the second trade of the week was Square, 30%. What happened is it's pretty simple. I like to trade things like Square and Space and AMD and a few other kind of smaller stocks. I wouldn't say smaller. I mean, kind of mid-cap type stocks that are cheaper. I usually do those intraday. And with intraday profit targets, we have to respect our risk management rules. I haven't gone over those really yet. I'll probably do that in the future. But generally with contracts that are expiring the week of, and the closer it gets to that Friday, we cut our profit margin, right? Because anything can happen. You're getting so close to expiration, anything can happen. So basically, the week of, without going into too much detail, is 10%, 25%, 50%, 100%. Okay, those are kind of the levels of profit taking. So with this being a Monday, we were shooting for 25%, 50%, 100%. Okay, so Square. Monday, we took it at open, a little after open. We had the EMA cross signaling that, okay? Then we had this huge confirmation 5-minute candle right here. Very, very simple at 840, okay? This is the third candle being formed. So this is 15 minutes after market. That's going to separate our cross and confirm it. So we entered a position. We entered the June 26 110 calls. That's another thing. It's out the money. $8 out of the money. $9 out of the money. Okay. So we need to be careful here because theta and decay like that out of the money can eat us up. So we were good. We rode the 5 EMA up here. And then when we saw this consolidation, it would have been this candle, 901-ish, somewhere in here. I believe is when we closed it, okay? Because that's our profit target. 9:01 a.m., 30%, 25% or more is the profit target. So we closed it, okay? Yeah, that's a pretty simple kind of day trading tactic that I use often, usually with Discord alerts. That's kind of what you'll see is intraday type stuff, closing at those profit margins, 25%, around 10%, things like that. And if you analysis comes into it too, but I just wanted to go over again just the two. I try to get a few, good trades to kind of show the strategy and show obvious proof of it working, just so I can review myself. I might start doing also maybe on the weekend or something, maybe the worst losers and what we can learn from it. But for now, we'll stick with the trades of the week, show the good. But reminder, it's not all good. To this week, we -5% on the account, -5 point. Hold on, I like to be accurate, tell the truth. 5.33% on the market. I'm not going to put this on screen because it covers. Well, I guess I can. Well, no, my account number's on there. Webull needs to get their shit changed, but whatever. Yeah, -5.33%. So that's what we got. That's all I got for y'all. I will catch y'all on the next one. If you have any questions, any stocks you want me to look at, anything like that, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. I appreciate it.